Hello, welcome to this video. Here we are going to learn how to use Cisco Packet Tracer. Already we have seen how to install it into our system. So to use Cisco Packet Tracer, first of all, let me tell you, your internet connection should be turned off. During the start of the software, it should be turned off. So now in my system, the internet connection is turned off. Now I will search for the application Cisco Packet Tracer. So I open that application and it will open the dashboard of Cisco Packet Tracer where I can perform all my networking practicals. So this is the dashboard of Cisco Packet Tracer. As you can see here, down here you get this network devices, because to build a network you need network devices. So click on that network devices, come down, and here you get switch, because to construct a LAN we need a switch. So click on the switch. You can see the series of switch available here on the panel. So you can drag this first switch, which is very common switch we use to build a LAN. This is 2960 Cisco switch. Now you need some systems to complete the LAN construction. So here you have the end device. So you can click on the end device, and here you can see PC is appearing. So you can drag that to your screen and leave it on any position you want. And if you want multiple PCs, you can keep dragging again and again, and you will get number of PCs on your screen. So this is what the components have come to the screen. Now we want the connections. So to do the connections, you have this cable here. If you click on this, you will get types of cables available, and for our case we are going to use this copper straight through cable. Just click on the cable and come to the screen, it will come with the cursor. So now you can connect it from system to the switch, or from switch to the system. So I will show you from system to the switch. Click on that system. This is the LAN port of the system, which is written as fast Ethernet port, which is 100 Mbps port. Click on that, and then it will get connected to the system and come on top of the switch, and click on that. It will display all the available ports of the switch. So you can connect on one of those ports. I will use the first port, which is numbered as 1, that is fast Ethernet 0/1, which is the first port I am selecting. I can select in fact any of those ports. So I will click on that, it will get connected. So one PC got connected. I have to take one more cable to connect the other PC. So I will again click on the PC and click on this port, LAN port, come on to the switch, click on the switch. You can see here the first port is done because I have already utilized that. Now you have the second port available. You can click on that, gets connected. The reverse also you can do. You can start connection from the switch, click on the switch, take the cable, click on the switch, and then select or click on one of the port, and then come down and come on to the PC, click on it, and then click on the LAN port of the PC. So thereby I'm connecting the third PC. I want to connect the fourth as well. So I'll go to port number 4, which is available for me now, and now I can come down and click on the PC, and here it's my LAN port. So this is how the whole construction is completed. But you have to wait to test and verify this network whether it is working or not. You have to wait because this LED colors you can see here, they're glowing amber, so they should turn green. All of them should turn green. It is because the switch takes some time to recognize who is connected to me, so it takes some time. Anyhow, it is now going green. Now to test the network, we have to assign the IP address to the systems. So how to assign the IP address? I will follow the first lab practical where we are using a classful IP address without doing any subnetting. So I will go to this PC. On top of the PC I will click, and here I get desktop. So I'll click on this desktop, and here I get IP configuration. I'll click on that IP configuration, and here I have to ensure that it is clicked on this static button. So here I can now type the IP for this PC, and according to that design, this IP for this PC was 10.0.0.1, and the second box asks for subnet mask. I can just click here and subnet mask will be entered automatically. I don't have to type it in fact. So I close it, and that's done. The first PC has been assigned with IP address 10.0.0.1. Now I go to the second PC and click the same process. I go to desktop, I click on IP configuration, and here I ensure that static is clicked here, and there I type the IP for the second PC, which is 10.0.0.2. I just click on the subnet mask, it takes the mask by itself, close it. Then I want the third PC. So third PC I click, desktop I click, IP configuration I click, static is already clicked by default, and there I type the IP as 10.0.0.3, and here I click this box and it takes the mask. I go to the fourth PC and do the same process, desktop, IP configuration, and here it is 10.0.0.4, and here I click mask text by itself, and that's done. So now my LAN is ready, connections already I have done, and also I have done the IP configurations to the system. Let me see whether this LAN works or not. Do I have the connectivity between the systems or not? So what I will do to test the connectivity, I will go to one of the system, say the first PC, I will click on that, and then I will open the command prompt of that. So if I click on this, it is already, see here it is desktop, so it must be clicked first. So on the desktop you have this command prompt, so click on this command prompt, and here you get the command prompt of the PC. Now you use the command ping to check the connectivity. With a space, then type the IP of the next PC, which is 10.0.0.2. I know the IP, so I am typing the IP of the next PC, and then press enter key. So once you press enter, you can see here the replies are coming back from 10.0.0.2. 4 times by default reply comes back. So now you are sure that the second PC is well connected to first PC.